Hi everyone, this tutorial video is going to go over social media networking. So go ahead and click on this networking tab and then hit the follow us tab underneath the dropdown. And this will give you the opportunity to follow us on our different social media platforms. And as you can see, we do have a couple of hashtags here. The CCFAC23 is our annual conference hashtag, and then CCA Hope and Cure CCA are some other hashtags that we use. So please follow us and post with these hashtags to let people know that you are at the annual conference, what you're learning at the annual conference. It helps us to spread awareness and reach more patients and caregivers to give them the information, tools, and resources they need to navigate a cancer diagnosis. We are looking forward to the conference with you and can't wait to see what you share on social media.